the Polk Audio T15 home theater and stereo landed on my desk 3 weeks ago. I've used it hard. To be honest, I've also had a chance to try out some of those fancy Sonos speakers that everyone's always talking about. But let me tell you, for the price and what you get, the Polk Audio T15 is the way to go. So, what really matters when it comes to these speakers? Well, first off, you've got the sound quality. And I mean, this is where things get really interesting. With a 0.75-inch tweeter and a 5.25 dynamic balance driver, these speakers deliver clear, balanced sound with deep bass, even at low volumes. That means your favorite movie or game is going to sound way more immersive than it would on those fancy Sonos ones I mentioned. Another thing that stands out here is how easy it is to set up these things. Just plug in the speaker wire and you're good to go, no complicated setup needed. And if you do want to expand your home theater system later, these speakers are designed to be easily swappable, just hook them up to a different receiver or stereo. But what really gets me excited about these speakers is how versatile they are. You can use them as front, left, right, or rear speakers in your setup, perfect for anyone starting their home audio journey. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even start with just one pair and add more later on. In my experience, the Polk Audio T15 delivers all that you need for a great home theater experience. And while it's not going to blow you away with some fancy new technology, what it does deliver is real-world benefit, a deep, immersive sound that actually transports you into your favorite movies and games. Having tested these speakers extensively, I can confidently say that the Polk Audio T15 home theater and stereo bookshelf speakers are definitely worth considering if you're in the market for some solid home theater sound. They may not be perfect, but they're the best option out there right now, and at this price point, unbeatable. Hit subscribe for honest, thorough product reviews, new one every week. You'll find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.